At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a bikini line business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution to be successful. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by conducting thorough market research to understand the demand for bikini lines in your target market. Identify your target audience, their preferences, and purchasing behavior. Analyze your competitors to determine what sets your bikini line apart. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business objectives, target market, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and can be useful when seeking funding or partnerships. 3. Product development. Create a unique and high-quality bikini line that appeals to your target market. Consider factors such as design, materials, sizing, and price points. You may choose to design your bikinis yourself or collaborate with designers and manufacturers. 4. Supplier selection. Find reliable suppliers for materials, fabrics, and manufacturing. Consider factors such as quality, cost, lead times, and ethical sourcing practices. Building strong relationships with suppliers is crucial for maintaining consistency and quality in your products. 5. Branding and marketing. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. This includes creating a memorable brand name, logo, and packaging design. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your bikini line through online and offline channels, such as social media, influencer partnerships, events, and advertising. 6. E-commerce platform. Set up an e-commerce website to sell your bikinis online. Choose a user-friendly platform that allows for easy navigation, secure transactions, and seamless order fulfillment. Invest in professional product photography to showcase your bikinis effectively. 7. Inventory management. Implement efficient inventory management systems to track stock levels, manage orders, and minimize excess inventory. Consider factors such as seasonality and trends when planning your inventory levels. 8. Legal and regulatory compliance. Ensure that your business complies with all legal and regulatory requirements, including business registration, permits, licenses, and product safety standards. Consult with legal professionals to navigate any legal complexities. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Offer responsive customer support, easy returns and exchanges, and personalized shopping experiences to enhance customer satisfaction. 10. Launch and iterate. Launch your bikini line with a strong marketing campaign to generate buzz and attract customers. Monitor sales and customer feedback closely, and be prepared to iterate on your products and marketing strategies based on performance and market trends. Starting a bikini line business requires dedication, creativity, and a keen understanding of your target market. By following these steps and staying adaptable to market changes, you can build a successful and profitable bikini line brand. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.